All right, now we're going to get into drawing cross sections. Before we start, I just want to go over two different postulates, which you guys learned, goodness, probably in Math 1 and 2. So it's been a while. But this first piece, it says, the plane intersection postulate states that if two planes intersect, then their intersection is a line. It can help you in drawing a cross section. So if you look in the bottom, it says an example of it is where you have plane S, that's the vertical one, and plane T is the horizontal one. Where they cross is a line, okay? Don't think too deep into it. You are creating a line in a 3D object. You have a 3D object and you're creating a 2D plane through your 3D object, all right? You don't necessarily need to write this down. I just want you guys to hear me explain it so that you don't sit there and read it and then it goes nowhere.